Good morning guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA Razr 70 Ultra, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. So first of all, open the settings, then find and select System and go to Reset Options. Now mark Reset Device Settings, and now if you truly want to reset device settings, as you can see, any changes you've made to the following settings will be undone, so battery and display. So once you want to do it, just click on Reset Device Settings, confirm by entering your PIN code or fingerprint, whatever you use, and select Reset Device Settings. And that's it, that will be all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.